Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an error E42 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So first things first, the E42 error is a lock error. It has to do with the locking mechanism on your washing machine. So this can be happening for kind of two reasons. One could be the mechanical functioning of the lock, and then the other thing could be anything between the lock and the control board. So the wiring or the sensors or the control board itself sensing something wrong. And if it's something that inside in the guts of the machine, it's probably better to call a technician. But what we can check for this error is the mechanical functioning of the lock. So what we want to do that is just, look inside the locking thing and make sure we don't see any debris or lint or buildup of gunk or grease or anything in there that could be preventing the mechanism from working properly. We might also be able to see if there's anything broken in there, in which case we'll just need to replace the locking mechanism. Same thing on the latch. We want to make sure there's not too much of a buildup of anything on here, grease or anything like that. So if we rule out that the actual mechanics, then it's probably something inside. But a lot of times you'll be able to fix this error just by making sure that everything is working properly on the lock itself. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.